We at the Allan Institute and members of our friends from the spinal cord research community and advocacy communities are here today, and we're going to announce the unveiling of the Allan Spinal Cord Atlas.
A little bit about the Allan Institute for Brain Science. It was founded in 2001 by Paul G. Allan, and our mission is dedicated to creating tools and data that serve a larger scientific community. We are multidisciplinary in our approach. We have Ph.D. level scientists that are PhDs in math and physics and genomics and traditional neurosciences. We have experts in computer software databases, all coming together to create these products that are free and available to scientists around the world.
The comprehensive map of the genes of the spinal cord will be an incredible resource for scientists and researchers studying how the spinal cord is altered in disease or an injury. And more importantly, it's going to give hope to really millions of Americans who suffer from spinal cord diseases and disorders. I also, as you know, fight every single day for our veterans who are returning home from the Iraq and Afghanistan wars. It's the #1 thing that I think all of us should be doing, and with the increasing number of injuries that are coming home, this kind of research is going to have tremendous potential for those men and women who've given their lives to serve our country. So I am extremely excited about this. I've been a long-time believer in the importance of supporting medical research because I know that every dollar that we invest saves money later in reduced healthcare costs and increased economic productivity. You know, for me, it's been really thrilling to watch the results of Paul Allan's philanthropic contributions in the Pacific Northwest and really across the country. And one of the most impressive aspects of the Allan Institute has been the unique funding model that Paul has developed. He has really enabled public and private and foundation funds to be transformed into these breakthrough discoveries. So with all of that in mind, I want to take this opportunity to thank the Allan Spinal Cord Atlas funders. We have the ALS Association, Paralyzed Veterans of America, Wyeth Pharmaceuticals, PEMCO Insurance, the National MS Society, and the International Spinal Research Trust. And you can just see from the variety of groups that are funding this, the tremendous potential it has for so many millions of Americans.
The ALS Association is indeed very excited to be a partner with the Allan Institute. And I think the most important thing for both as a scientist and as a director of an organization, it's the public access that is so critical. In fact, we cannot as scientists think that we have all the ideas alone, and it's through being able to share these databases worldwide with experts that we can make a difference. And it's incredibly impressive how the Allan Institute has built the technology based on what they had done for the Brain Atlas, but quite a different thing doing it in the spinal cord, quickly got the technology together, working with the scientific community so that they know when this resource is available in its entirety, that the community will really use it. So it's a real honor to be here today. It's a privilege to work with such a distinguished team, and I am sure that we are going to collectively find the answers for these devastating diseases.
This project allows, from today, any scientist, any student, any physician with access to a computer in any nation in the world to mouse click and have a look and see what it is in a motor neuron in the spinal cord that makes that neuron work in an optimal way so that we can use that program to understand how to reprogram the spinal cord if it becomes injured or if we have a patient with ALS. All of those people now have access to this information, to this knowledge, and knowledge is power. When we're asked, how does this help people who have diseases? It helps not just people who have diseases, it helps people like me do my job better. It helps us do our job faster. But what it does is it brings everybody hope. That kind of hope is hard to put a price tag on. It will create change. It will create change in the way scientists work together to do business. And that, to parrot a recent well-worn phrase, is the kind of change that everybody in this room can believe in.
These are the reasons that we come to work every day. This is what makes our life really, really enriched, because we feel that by doing this very basic research, we're really making a difference too.
We have seen some very catastrophic injuries coming back from the Iraq and Afghanistan war going on. And so the timeliness of this progress is absolutely amazing. It gives us, certainly it gives the individual hope, and we can go in, as we always do, and encourage them and let them know that there's research going on, there's opportunities out there, so don't give up. And we encourage that. So this is exciting.